This is MONOCHAR.ai, a minimalist character engine powered by Google Gemini 3. With 700+ traits, lock specific details, or let AI randomize everything. We use Gemini 3's thinking mode to reason through Moe Points, ensuring the personality logically matches the outfit for a deep profile. For visuals, we utilize Gemini 3 Pro Image Preview on Nano Banana Pro. Enhanced by grounding with Google Search, the designs are grounded in reality, creating high-fidelity reference sheets. MONOCHAR.ai. Minimalism meets imagination.